Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is discovery of neutron and unit structure of an atom, and topic is discovery of a neutron. So let's start our today's lecture. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And as we know that Rutherford discovered the nucleus, and he gave the model that positive nucleus in the middle of the atom and electron are orbited. And we also know that in 1879 Sir William Crookes experiment and discovered cathode rays, and then J.J. Thomson found out the mass over charge ratio of an electron. And in 1886 Goldstein discovered the proton, and in 1908 Rutherford discovered the nucleus. But the discovery of neutron is much later than the discovery of proton, electron, and nucleus. And Rutherford also said that only positive and negative particles couldn't explain the structure of an atom. That's why he said that there must be some neutral particles also exist in an atom. For this, the reason is that he studied only about hydrogen element, which contain one proton, one electron, and it has atomic number 1 and mass number also 1. And because it has no neutron, that's why its atomic number and mass number is 1, because atomic number is mass number of protons, and it have only one proton. That's why it have atomic number 1 and mass number 1. But when we take the example of helium have 4 atomic mass, and have 2 proton and 2 atomic number and 4 atomic mass. That's mean it has 2 proton. And why it has 4 atomic mass? Then scientists said that there should be electrical neutral particle should be exist, which determine the mass of the element. For example, nucleus contain our nucleus contain protons, but it also contain neutral particles. That's why the mass of the helium is 4 times than the mass of the hydrogen. When they find out the mass of helium, it was the 4 times greater than hydrogen, because hydrogen has one proton, and it has atomic number 1 and mass number 1, but helium has 2 proton, and so it has atomic number 2 but mass number is 4. So what is the reason? If we count only proton, then the mass of the helium should be 2, because it contains 2 proton. So mass of helium 4 times the mass of hydrogen atom. That's why in 1932 Chadwick discovered the neutron by doing this experiment. He take the alpha source. Alpha source mean this take the positive rays or alpha rays which have highly penetrating power. It target it to the beryllium atom, and then the neutrons are emitted. He noticed that some neutral particles is emitted from the beryllium atom, and then he used a paraffin slab. Slab absorb these particles are passed out from the paraffin slab and charge these particles. When these charged particles are captured in a gas filled chamber, and it were connected with the battery, then these charged particles